So I often get asked about my style, and I always feel like that minimalism is the best style and accessorizing right is the best style, and in that too, choosing the right kind of accessory is one of the most important decisions, I guess. One accessory that I cannot do without are watches. You guys know this because watches are functional. They look very chic. They make me feel productive, and if you get the right kind of watch, you actually need just one accessory and you're sorted. So today I'll be talking about one such watch by Daniel Wellington. You guys know that I love Daniel Wellington watches because of their simple style, their classiness, how chic they look, how elegant and sophisticated yet swanky they are. I simply love to style it with all my attire, and the one watch that I have already shown you is, and of course reviewed it here on my channel, is from their iconic Link collection. I'm going to leave a link of that video over here. You can definitely go ahead and watch it. Daniel Wellington makes a lot of cool accessories, be it bracelets or the rings or the watches, and watches with interchangeable straps, and that is exactly what I would be talking about here in this video. Would be a watch with interchangeable strap. I'm going to tell you how so versatile the watch can be. So let's quickly start this video. I'm going to show you one of the watches over here. I'll leave the model number and everything on the screen for you, but all their watches come in this kind of a very classy matte packaging, which I absolutely love, and I always save the packaging. So this is the sleeve part. Here we have the Daniel Wellington box. We have a really nice Daniel Wellington gold lettering over here. It's very chic, guys. You open this lid and inside of it you have this beautiful watch. So the one that I have gone for is a white color dial with a leather, black leather strap, and you just remove this strap. So once I remove this box, there is this lid thing. You remove it, and here you get another something. I'm going to show you. So this is a small little tiny envelope. Here you have the owner's guide, which is the watch manual by Daniel Wellington, and it has everything mentioned over here. What is the water resistance, warranty, and all of that is mentioned in this small little booklet. And then in this small little envelope like thing, you also have a tool. This tool is very handy when you want to change the strap, so keep it very safe. So that is the unboxing part of this particular beautiful watch. Now I'm going to show you this amazing watch. So this is the watch, and it has this croc pattern. It is a leather strap, and it has, it is written genuine leather at the back, and it also has the embossing of Daniel Wellington, the logo, as well as the lettering here as well. So, and this is the dial part of it. This is the watch. It is so super lightweight, it is so super classy, and it looks so nice and chic. This watch is amazing and so perfect if you go to office. It is so perfect if you're in school or college because it is so minimal. It is not going to interfere with your style, but on the contrary, it is going to enhance the style without being too loud. I can literally wear it with a party outfit. I can wear it for a sundress, a brunch. I can literally wear it with my jeans and top, of course, any day for a casual wear. And when I change the strap of it with a sports strap, actually it goes very well with my gym wear or my workout wear. So this is really good watch. So DW actually makes really amazing these kind of watches. I'm going to give you, a rundown of their different watches over here. All of these designs are my absolute favorite. I cannot really pick and choose, one. Everything is so elegant, everything is so different, and everything is just so amazing that you cannot really have just one. But yet, if you have just one, it is going to do the trick. There are a lot of interchangeable straps, but the one that I have with me over here is this one. I've gone for a complete black. So the strap, interchangeable straps come in a very small chic box like this one. They have NATO strap, leather strap, and mesh straps. Here is the strap that I have got. Of course, I'm going to give you a close-up of the strap. So this is a really nice, I think this is a NATO strap, and this is black, and this is like really sturdy, very good quality, and it has gold hardware with the DW embossed on the gold hardware. So this is really nice. This is my leather strap, and this is the NATO strap. This strap is amazing, especially if you are in a very monsoon kind of a weather. Like right now, Delhi is in the monsoon season. It is very hot and humid. This strap is very sturdy. So this is really good, strap. This is very sturdy. I feel like this is going to last for a really long time. So, and it's very lightweight as well. Now I'm going to show you as to how you can change the strap of it. I'm just going to try and film it in a very simple way. way, so that you have an idea as to how you can change the strap on your own very easily in just a few minutes, and that is going to totally change your style.
In order to change the strap, you require three things. You require the watch, of course, with the strap. You require the new strap. In my case, I have this black NATO strap. And last but not the least, you require this tool. So there are two ends to the tool. There is this pointy end of the tool and the other end is a flat end. I'm changing the leather strap into the NATO straps. For that, I'll be requiring this tool that I just spoke about. I will be using this pointy end. There's a spring bar inside of it. We have to remove it. And in order to do that, I will just prick this thing up and, you know, it removes the strap gently, like so, and you just detach it from the other end. So it's very easy. And after that, because I would be needing this spring bar, I would remove it from the strap. Likewise, I'm going to remove this strap as well by pricking over here using my tool, and that's it. It's like so simple, it just snaps off. Just be very careful with this you know, spring bar. Since it has spring into it, it tends to kind of fly off, so just be very careful. This was the leather strap. I'm going to keep it aside. We have to actually attach this strap now. So for that, I'll take this dial. I have the spring bars over here, and again I would be needing the tool. We need to build a barrier for this strap, so I will attach the spring bar, put it into the hole, bring it forward and leave it into the other hole. You will just hear the click sound and you know that it is attached. Likewise, I'm going to do here at this end as well. So that's it. Now the spring bars are attached on the side. We do not require the tool anymore, so I'm going to keep it aside. We require this NATO strap now. As you can see, this is what the strap looks like, and this is what it looks like at the back. So now what I'm going to do is that turn this dial upside down like this and turn the strap upside down like this. Now gently, you know, just pull the strap from here like this and pass it across the spring bars, you know, just like this. I hope it makes sense. Okay. Once it is done, just put it here in this clasp or something, I'm not sure what it is called, and there you have the strap ready. It is very simple, and now you can just wear it.
So I will interchange the straps depending on what I'm wearing, at what time I'm wearing, and where I'm going. It is so super duper amazing. So isn't it a very cool idea that you have one watch but you can actually style it in a lot of ways? How I like to style, I would tell you, if I'm going to office and if I'm dressed in a very formal attire, of course this works so well, because of course this is a very officey watch. You cannot go more formal than this watch, honestly. But if some days you have to directly run to a party or a function or a mehndi or a sangeet and you are wearing maybe something let's say Indian, a nice Indian kurta, I can really team it up with a very nice Indian kurta, and this looks so perfect. It just makes you look so elegant and so sophisticated, yet in the mood of the celebrations. And of course, if you want to have a casual look, maybe with a jeans and a top, of course this goes so well with a jeans and top, with a dress, a short dress, maybe skirts, with shorts you can wear it. And if you want to have a gym look or a workout look or a sport look, you know, just to run errands and all of that, this one comes in so handy. You just change the straps and there you have it, a different style altogether. So you saw how simple it is to actually change the strap, and by changing the strap you can actually change your entire look. Just one watch and so many looks. So because it is very minimal, it doesn't interfere with the style, but it enhances the style because it is classy. If you're wearing something very loud, the subtleness of the watch actually tones down everything, and it is just so amazing that how presentable you look by wearing the right kind of watch. And this is one watch that you can dress up, dress down. It is just so amazing. So I would highly recommend you guys, you know, try 1DW or the Daniel Wellington watch. Daniel Wellington has very kindly given me a coupon code. I will leave it on the screen for you guys. I would also leave it in the description box below. I'll leave the link of this particular watch, my iconic link watch as well, because I would highly recommend that watch as well, in the description box below. And yes, I forgot, I have to tell you this, that Daniel Wellington watches make such an amazing present. So if you're stuck and you haven't yet decided what you want to present your loved one, your brother, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, you know, mama, papa, anybody on their anniversaries or birthdays or whatever occasion, or just like that, Daniel Wellington watches would make a very good choice. Give that a thought, and I promise you will not regret. So that was it in this video of mine, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you find it useful, and check the description box for all the links. Yes, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification as well, and like this video if you've liked it. Comment in the comment section below which is your favorite watch from Daniel Wellington, which is your favorite strap. If you like any, you can leave the link of it. I'll definitely check that out. And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys.